Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a candy chute for Halloween. I started out by taking some 2-foot deck boards. It doesn't really matter what the length of your deck boards are. It just matters that they will not tip over when your thing is sitting on the ground. Because if it tips over, then how are you going to get the candy to the kids without being COVID friendly? So you're going to want some deck boards. I'm using 2-foot deck boards that we used for our treehouse a few months ago. And you're going to need a 2x4 that is 3 feet long, around 3 feet long. And this will be the first support to your candy dispenser. I'll have a picture up on the screen. And you're just going to screw from the bottom of the deck board, so from back here, into the one end of your 2x4. And you'll want to do it so the 2x4 is going vertically, but your deck board is going horizontally. So just like this, you're making a little T, and you'll just screw in one on the top, one on the bottom, and then move to the next leg. Before I move any farther, I should let you know that you should be pre-drilling holes so that your screws don't split the wood. Now that we have our first leg done, it's time to move to our second leg. You can put your first leg to the side, and you can move to your second leg. The only difference between the second leg to the first leg is your first leg is 3 feet long, and this one is 4. The reason for that is so that the candy will actually go down like this chute, because if it's completely level, then the candy will just sit on the end that you put it in. But if you have it on an angle, that candy will slide down. I just realized that I made a bit of a oopsie because you're supposed to put them together so that they look like this, with your 2-inch side or your 4-inch side going horizontally with your horizontal deck board, which I did right on this on the second leg, but I realized I did wrong on the first one. So we're just going to pop the screws out on the first one and turn it so it looks just like this one, and we have both of the boards going horizontally. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.